This is not a war fought with soldiers. It's fought with supply chains, with mines, and with control.
Beneath the surface, power is decided. Not gold, not oil, but something far more strategic.
They're called rare earth minerals. They don't look powerful. Most people ignore them. But without them, no weapons.
No AI.
Welcome to Global Finance, where we don't just talk about markets and money. We explain who really controls the future.
We break down power, politics, and hidden financial conflicts shaping the future.
And today, we're exposing one of the most important conflicts of the 21st century, a conflict that rarely makes headlines. What if the most advanced military on Earth depended on materials processed by its biggest rival? What if the clean energy revolution was built on the dirtiest mining on Earth? And what if Africa held the power to decide the next 50 years?
They are real. They are happening right now. And once you understand them,
If you want to understand the real global financial conflicts,
Because here, we don't chase noise. We explain the silent wars of money, resources, and power.
let's start with the basics. What exactly are rare earth minerals? They're a group of elements that make modern technology possible. Rare earths are a group of 17 elements. They're not actually rare, but extremely difficult to mine and process.
These minerals are used in electric vehicles, smartphones, and wind turbines, medical imaging, and AI hardware.
And modern weapons systems.
Without rare earths, technology doesn't slow down, it collapses.
The US just mine its own rare earths.
It's not that simple. Control isn't just about mining, it's about processing.
The US does have some rare earth reserves, but China controls the refining and most of the supply chain. Over 8
Even for military and defense systems?
Yes, fighter jets, radar, and precision-guided weapons. Especially for them, missiles, satellites, fighter jets, all rely on Chinese processed minerals. From a national security standpoint, this is a huge vulnerability.
How did China get so far ahead? Patience and strategy, while others looked away.
while the West chased short-term profits, China built mines and refineries,
Processing plants.
integrated manufacturing, and the result?
Full control of the pipeline, from mine to the final product.
Africa plays a huge role in this?
More than most people realize, Africa holds vast untapped reserves. It's the center of the board.
Africa holds massive reserves. China recognized this early. Not speeches, not promises, concrete deals.
So basically, America invented the smartphone.
And China controls the minerals inside it.
Funny for a moment, but dangerous in reality.
The moment China hinted at export restrictions, everything changed.
The U.S. rushed to restart domestic mining, build alliances, secure alternative suppliers. Here's the twist. Africa isn't a victim anymore. It has leverage, and the world knows it.
Now demand more. Local processing, industrial development, skilled jobs, technology transfer. They play both.
Everyone talks about green energy, like it's pure. But the supply chain tells a different story, and it starts underground. Electric vehicles, wind turbines, solar grids, all of them need rare earths.
Mining is dirty, processing is toxic, and the demand is skyrocketing. Whoever controls the minerals controls the green future.
Let's think about the future. Even if the U.S. invests heavily,
You mean if policy suddenly turns into a mining miracle?
even then, time is the real enemy.
Yeah.
Exactly. Let's call that the unlikely scenario.
All right, lay it out.
Even if everything goes perfectly, building advanced processing
So
takes
full
years,
separation, not happening quickly.
which is why cooperation quietly continues despite the tension.
A slow, cautious dance, not a clean break.
Exactly.
And the likely scenario?
The dominant player keeps the driver's seat.
Global dominance as we knew it, diminished. One side still leads in key technologies, but another holds the ace card.
But even the dominant player risks backlash. Industries downstream are frustrated.
One side planned early, another reacted late, and resource regions now hold the leverage.
Energy powered the last century.
critical minerals will power the next.
And the most important struggles of the future will be over resources.
Thank you for staying with us through this deep dive.
Yeah. If this helped you see the world a little more clearly, join us for the next one. Hit the like button, comment your thoughts, and turn on notifications. Because the world of money, power, and secret